Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to scan keyhard code with camera on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone camera. So click on your phone camera right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and click on scan keyhard code. Make sure you turn on this button right here. Just like so. Having turned it on, next thing you need to do is to go back to the camera. Then you have to get your keyhard code or the product keyhard code that you would like to scan. So I'm going to scan this particular keyhard code right here, just like what you see right here, and it has recognized the keyhard code right here. So you have to make sure you position your camera properly, and it will recognize the keyhard code. So just like so, it has recognized a keyhard code. Then we can simply read the result, just like what you see right here. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to scan keyhard code of any product with just your phone camera on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.